Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to explore a question that has sparked much debate. Is it possible to perform too much preventive maintenance? We'll delve into 3 key areas where excessive preventive maintenance might not be as beneficial as it seems. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to balance the need for preventive maintenance with factors such as value, potential for over-maintenance, and cost. So stay tuned to learn more about how to make your operations run smoothly and efficiently. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to perform too much preventive maintenance? This might seem like a strange question, but it's one that's sparked quite a bit of debate. Some say yes, while others are quick to sing the praises of preventive maintenance, insisting that if a task falls under this category, it's always worth doing. But let's face it, just like anything else in our lives, be it exercising, eating, or even breathing, it is entirely possible to overdo preventive maintenance. So let's dive into a few ways that preventive maintenance can be performed too often. Firstly, let's talk about the creation of waste. In a manufacturing or factory environment, everything that is done or used needs to be quantified as value or waste. This means that unnecessary preventive maintenance tasks can be seen as wasted money and time when those tasks are not needed. Imagine this scenario. A facility decides to perform a preventive maintenance inspection on asset X every single day, but the manufacturer only recommends weekly inspections. That's a daily inspection's worth of time and effort wasted every day. Now, this isn't necessarily a bad thing. After all, you can never be too sure, but for a facility attempting to be as lean as possible, this time could be better spent on other tasks. Next, let's consider the concept of over-maintenance. It might sound a bit confusing. After all, the definition of maintain is to keep something running well. So how can something run too well? However, some asset factors can actually be damaging to the asset if they're overdone. Take lubrication, for example. If a technician sees that a part is sufficiently lubricated but decides to add more grease because of the preventive maintenance schedule, the excess grease could actually damage other parts of the machine and cause a breakdown. Lastly, let's discuss unnecessary expense. In some cases, preventive maintenance efforts can be totally wasted when the cost of parts and labor actually exceeds the cost of the asset being maintained. In cases like this, the time spent performing preventive maintenance would be better used elsewhere, while the money spent replacing or maintaining parts would be better spent on a new version of that asset. So the next time you're scheduling preventive maintenance tasks, remember to consider the value, potential for over-maintenance, and the cost of the tasks. It's all about finding the right balance to ensure your operations run smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for tuning in. We've explored the concept of overdoing preventive maintenance and discussed the importance of balancing value, over-maintenance potential, and cost. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. For additional resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability team succeed, visit us at upkeep.com. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance in your operations. Until next time, keep striving for efficiency.